Hi, my name is Michael, and I'm a Salesforce enthusiast wanting to show users how to get the most out of Salesforce. Today, I want to do a quick training on how to customize the navigation menu from an admin perspective and an end user perspective. Okay, so what you're going to do is go to the far right-hand side, click on Setup, click on Setup one more time, and after this page loads, on the far left-hand side, we have Quick Find, and I want you to type in App Manager. You're going to click on this one. And today we're going to go ahead and edit the Sales Lightning. Now, depending on how many apps, you can definitely customize different apps and have different navigation menus for each of them. So the same thing applies to the other apps, but in this case, we're going to just do the Lightning Sales app. Click on Edit. I believe I selected the right one. I hope I did. So on the far left-hand side under App Settings, you're going to scroll down to Navigation Items. And we have all of these from top to bottom over here, but we also have them over here as well, from left to right and top to bottom. Okay. Now, let's say you're the admin and you start talking to a lot of your end users and they tell you, hey, listen, like we really don't need files on here. We really don't need groups. Can we remove that? Chatter is not really something that we ever use. And the navigation menu is just too cluttered. What you can do is select those, remove it, and let's say that you also get the request that cases over here would be very helpful. Say OK, so you can add cases back, and let's say that you want to add task a little bit higher up, and let's just move campaigns down a little bit. Let's move cases up, one or two, and then you save this. Perfect. So now you have just saved this for the Lightning Sales app. Let's go back to Lightning Sales app. Let's go ahead and refresh this right here. And hopefully it took the changes. Just want to double check to make sure I did the right one. I feel like I maybe clicked on the wrong one initially. Let's go back, click on edit. This is why it's always good to double check your work. Yeah, I definitely did it on a different one. I can see that now. So on this one, we have a lot of other objects over here. Let's go ahead and get rid of some of these. We don't need price books. We're being told that we don't need groups, forecast, chatter. Let's go ahead and remove those. Let's maybe move cases up a little bit. Right behind contacts, move campaigns down a little bit. And then let's go ahead and save this. So we're expecting to see campaigns at the very end. So hopefully that's what we see. Let's go ahead and click on back real quick. And let's go ahead and refresh this page. All right, perfect. So now we have campaigns over here. So that's how you actually update the navigation menu from an admin perspective. But let's say you're an end user, and maybe you're one of those users who really liked having the chatter tab up there, the chatter object up there on your navigation menu. You can go back and add that yourself if you like. So what you do is go to the far right hand side, click on the pencil, and then you can go click on add more items. So initially it defaults to favorites, but if you click on all, it should give you all the objects that you have access to add. So let's go ahead and type in the word chatter right here. Go ahead and hit the plus button, and then click on add one nav item, and then click on save. And then you can, there you go, you can update it like that. And then if you ever decide that you want to change it, you just click on the pencil icon, click on this, and you can remove it and then save it. So I hope this training was useful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thank you.